So please do enjoy the scenery of beautiful St. Mary, the ocean side by the road, the palm trees and all of that, coconut tree, I don't know. If you do not want to see the scenery though, you can proceed to 2 minutes and 8 seconds where we arrive at our destination. But if you want to see the beautiful blue and white skies and the coconut trees and the water and all of that, then continue watching. Yeah. So here we have some goats on the road. People, no stop teaching people in goat yet. Alright, so we are passing this person now because a long time ago behind them and then kind of slow. There's a cemetery over here and this big house is here, so that's a grave, guys. Like, I'm gonna spend money for some serious things, eh? So now we're approaching a police spot check thing. So I caught the video because Mr. Langton, I'm a panic. So yes, that's what happened. You see, he just walk out to them gun. So I just stopped the video. Anyways, we're here now, so enjoy.
Afternoon, sir. Yeah, man. Restaurant open, right?
I should stop the cab after that.
Okay.
Hey guys, so some of the clips are going to be silenced because there was music playing at the location, and copyright strikes is something that we don't want, so we had to silence some of the video. But please do enjoy it anyways. Bye. The underwear? The underwear? Catch me. Okay guys, so you said I lost the challenge, so I was supposed to take someone on a date, so I'm taking someone on a date and we're at Captain Morgan's Buccaneer's Dirt Center and we're waiting for our order to come.
But babe, you never know saw that.
No, so me pay no. No one cat to buy.
She said I should tell you guys that she's the one who made the payment, alright? That's good, man. I'll play games with you again because you're a fair player, right?
Of course, me fair. So we're waiting for our order to come.
But she unfairness, if she ever tell me so that, and I order more things, you know? If you never tell me that, I order more.
Okay.
But that's why it's nice. It's fun to still around, right? Can I say, wait till my order, then she tell me that this is the date. If I ever know before.
Then you're not too late.
Okay.
You're not too late to order something.
Okay. You then hype and bossy?
Ice cream there, they don't know ice cream. Mere things.
You hear them hype?
Lick around this up.
You hear them hype? So you know what that mean? Anytime she catch me, nah, dead me dead. When she catch me, I can't taste this.
No.
Oh, good. That's the amount of
by the ship.
the ship.
The ship.
This is great too.
My waiter. So we got half pound of pork, chicken, fries, and festival.
Sure. I like food tastes good. No, it's not puss. Look at that, not slow but deadly. You told me about it and I like that. I'll call it a day. But Canessa now, she just work with it slow enough. But guys, it's deadly. How's the pork?
Nice.
Yeah, I like the
Pepper
pork.
nice and the sauce nice. Eat nice.
The jerk chicken likewise, it's great. But the pepper here, right there. Yeah, this not normal.
No.
Yeah man, it's hot there.
But it's nice.
Yeah.
If you like pepper, you like it.
The festival now can go on, but no, it don't
I
feel
should
this
have bone
one.
them, so.
Fries now, fries too much.
Too saggy, you know, like soft fries.
Yeah, them kind of saggy, kind of really like that, but them could have worked, but you just too much right now, main peak. Now can I have one lemonade then, you don't know.
No.
No brother. Man or men, stay away from that one. That's too sour. The carrot juice no bad.
Lemonade nice, yeah.
Sis. Hello. Belly full, is it? Belly full, babe? Deadly, is it? Didn't see a deadly. And it's then kind of eat that you call slow but deadly. Is it?
Because it just box up.
The food nice, make eat it. What kinds of just slow, the things say now mash up and it's done. Yes, peeps, so I should deliver your seed, so we win the challenge.
You can't jump off of the case now. Because I do what I did have to do. I keep up my end of the bargain. So you can't jump off of the case now.
So she's a fair player, guys, so we're going to do more challenge, hoping that I win again. So we can go somewhere else, don't it, babe? Yeah, man, but it's a nice little date, you see it?
Yeah.
What's the place name again?
Buccaneers.
Buccaneers Jerk Center. Yeah, you can check it out. In St. Mary, you know the best price in Jamaica. So, yeah, you can check it out. Price is okay, so all I want to go on Valentine's Day, yeah, you can come here. So, you need all the money. You just free love, but it's a nice little chill spot. Everything totally natural around there. You know what I'm saying?
Natural juice.
Yeah.
Natural food.
Natural pork. Even the place, but look at the place they call them, they call them Taylor Building there. Cano. That's your name?
Yeah.
Taylor Building, yeah. We do social studies.
Cano, I know a boat.
Cano a boat?
Yes.
What do they call it? Bayou? Or Cano? They have one name, like I said, Taylor, Arawak saying kind of house or something like. So, and the thing about the tour, like, what name?
I think these are cabanas.
Cabana, something like that.
Not the one that we have fit up. The one that we
Something like that. And the place not like busy. The place was cool, out of the noise and everything. Oh, a nice coaching spot. So if you don't want to see more challenge, just say yo, more challenge. You get what I'm saying? Because you need to go for more dates like these.
We're by the ice cream right now.
Well, at your place, so I'll buy ice cream. People, when I get the opportunity to milk it, you see it? Yes, I don't know if I can eat it.
Yeah, go on.
So I'm not going to milk.
In the freezer.
Freezer, I care.
In the freezer.
Poor rich woman. Alright, peeps, so remember to like the video. Remember to tell somebody about I Am Ready for Love. Drop your comment down below. Like the video, share the video here. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Big up to yourself.
Bye. Bye.
Alright, peeps, so we're leaving. What place name? I can't remember this name.
Buccaneers Jerk Center.
Yes, we're leaving Buccaneers Jerk Center. We're going home because we're actually tired. It was a good one. We have ice cream. We got shell, yeah. We get another space seat right now, so a later thing that.
Carry home.
Yeah, I carry it home. Anything else, babe?
I'm tired.
Yeah, she's tired. So we're going to put some content next week, hopefully. Yeah. The week are kind of really stressing, like a lot of things are happening. I feel this are going to be strong and go through, but nonetheless, you don't have to worry, we're doing fine, we're doing great. Alright, just life, you understand? In the midst of the pandemic. So remember to like the video, remember to share this video, remember to tell somebody about I Am Ready for Love. and we're on the road to 1K. We know that the move kind of slow, but nonetheless we're going to endure. So remember to tell somebody about our channel and tell them to subscribe if they're new, right? Yeah, so we're going to touch the road soon.